Dr. Wilhelm believes in superior service and great professionalism, and he surrounds himself with people who exemplify that. From the moment you walk into his office, you can see that this is first class. He skimps on nothing, and the people that he surrounds himself with, he holds to a very high standard.
The people here are so nice. The level of expertise is really what makes me comfortable here. The dentist will always call me later on in the day to see how I'm doing. The staff is always very accommodating with a busy schedule, so they fit me in when I could. And he always has the latest equipment. So I know that when I come here, I'm getting the top-notch expertise for what's ever current in the industry at this point.
I quickly tell people, I have the greatest dentist in the world. You'll not believe it. And how hard is it to get in? Man, they will treat you like a king, and you find out they'll get you in fast, particularly if you have a problem. They're so genteel. It will be unlike any other dentist experience you've ever had, promise me.